In this quick video, I'm logged into a Windows 11 desktop, and if I launch the Cloud Paging Player, which is our client software, you can see I have several different applications already available to me as Cloud Paging application containers. And I could just launch them from like the desktop, like VLC Player for example, or I could optionally launch from the Cloud Paging Player by just right-clicking and launching. Though that can run headerless, so users don't have to see or interact with it if you do not want. Now this Windows 11 desktop is my primary driver. It's actually a physical endpoint, though you can't really tell just by looking at it. But say if I go back to Cloud Pager just to show you, there is this work pod containing these applications called base applications. And I currently have this assigned to a security group of all users. And that means when I'm getting these applications on my physical endpoint, because I'm in that all users group and I go to a Windows 365 Cloud PC, perhaps the Windows 365 reserve, I lose access to something on my physical endpoint and I need a backup solution, I could launch into a newly provisioned Windows 365 Cloud PC, and as long as it has the Numecent client software installed and it's configured to Cloud Pager, when I log in, I'm going to get those applications on my Windows 365 Cloud PC. And there we see it. Those applications become available within seconds of logging into my Windows 365 Cloud PC. And as you'd expect, I can launch the applications, I can use the applications. And the best thing about this is you don't have to worry about like desktop skew, where the physical endpoint becomes drastically different to what's on the Windows 365 Cloud PC. It wouldn't be a great experience if somebody in a break-fix scenario goes to Windows 365 and they don't have the same versions of their applications because there's a lag between the process for updating the applications on Windows 365 versus the physical desktop, or perhaps just slowness in delivering applications during the actual desktop provisioning. So Cloud Pager offers a way to dynamically deliver consistently and quickly all of your Windows applications across all your Windows desktops, including Windows 365 Cloud PCs. And if you'd like to learn more, be sure to go to numecent.com.